Get 50% off and place an online order with free shipping. Creative ideas for window shutters and curtains. Wood shutters are a timeless addition to any home, blending classic charm with practical functionality. Crafted from high-quality wood, these shutters bring warmth and character to windows, enhancing both interior and exterior aesthetics. Their natural appeal offers versatility in design, effortlessly complementing a range of architectural styles from traditional to contemporary. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, wood shutters provide insulation and privacy, allowing for customizable light control and ventilation. Whether adorning a quaint cottage or a modern urban dwelling, wood shutters offer enduring beauty and enduring value to any space. Curtains are an essential element of interior design, adding both style and functionality to any room. Available in a myriad of fabrics, patterns, and colors, curtains offer endless possibilities for customization to suit any aesthetic preference or decor scheme. From sheer and lightweight options that filter sunlight delicately to heavier fabrics that provide privacy and insulation, curtains cater to diverse needs. Beyond their practicality, curtains also serve as decorative accents, framing windows and adding visual interest to living spaces. Whether enhancing a cozy bedroom retreat or elevating a formal dining area, curtains are a versatile and indispensable accessory in interior decorating. Window shutters are a classic and versatile window treatment option that adds both style and functionality to any home. Available in various materials such as wood, vinyl, or composite, window shutters offer durability and easy maintenance. They provide excellent light control and privacy, allowing you to adjust the louvers to your desired angle. Additionally, shutters enhance the curb appeal of your home, adding charm and character to its exterior while also offering insulation benefits. Whether you prefer traditional plantation-style shutters or sleek modern designs, window shutters are a timeless choice that complements any architectural style and interior decor scheme. Curtains are an integral part of interior design, offering both practicality and aesthetic appeal to any space. Available in a wide array of fabrics, colors, patterns, and styles, curtains can be tailored to suit any decor preference and functional need. From sheer and lightweight options that gently filter sunlight to heavier drapes that provide insulation and privacy, curtains offer versatility in light control and ambience creation. Beyond their functional benefits, curtains serve as decorative elements, adding texture, color, and visual interest to windows and rooms. Whether adorning a cozy living room, a formal dining area, or a serene bedroom retreat, curtains contribute to the overall atmosphere and personality of a space, making them an essential component of interior decoration. Window shutters are a timeless and practical window treatment option that enhances both the aesthetic appeal and functionality of any home. Crafted from various materials such as wood, vinyl, or composite, shutters offer durability and easy maintenance, ensuring long-lasting beauty. They provide excellent light control, privacy, and insulation, allowing homeowners to adjust the louvers to their preferred angle. With their versatile design, window shutters complement a wide range of architectural styles, from traditional to contemporary. Whether you opt for classic plantation-style shutters or sleek modern designs, these window coverings add character and charm to both interior and exterior spaces. Overall, window shutters combine functionality and style, making them a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their window's appearance and performance. Curtains are a fundamental aspect of interior design, offering both practical and aesthetic benefits to any room. These versatile window treatments come in a vast array of fabrics, colors, patterns, and styles, allowing for customization to suit individual preferences and decor schemes. From sheer and lightweight options that softly diffuse natural light to heavier drapes that provide insulation and privacy, curtains offer flexibility in light control and ambience creation. Beyond their functional advantages, curtains serve as decorative accents, adding texture, color, and visual interest to windows and spaces. Whether adorning a cozy living room, an elegant dining area, or a tranquil bedroom, curtains play a crucial role in enhancing the overall atmosphere and style of a room, making them an essential element of interior decoration. Window shutters are a versatile and stylish window treatment option that adds both charm and functionality to any home. Crafted from a variety of materials such as wood, vinyl, or composite, shutters offer durability and easy maintenance. They provide excellent light control, privacy, and insulation, allowing homeowners to adjust the louvers to their desired angle. With their timeless design, window shutters seamlessly complement a range of architectural styles, from traditional to contemporary. Whether you prefer classic plantation-style shutters or sleek modern designs, these window coverings enhance both the interior and exterior aesthetics of your home. Additionally, shutters add value to your property while offering a touch of elegance and sophistication to your windows. Overall, window shutters are a practical and visually appealing choice for homeowners seeking to elevate the look and functionality of their windows. Curtains are a versatile and essential element of interior design, offering both practicality and style to any space. Available in an endless array of fabrics, colors, patterns, and lengths, curtains allow for customization to suit individual preferences and decor themes. They serve multiple functions, including light control, privacy, and insulation, depending on the fabric and lining chosen. From sheer and lightweight options that gently filter sunlight to heavier drapes that provide room darkening effects and thermal insulation, curtains cater to diverse needs. Moreover, curtains also serve as decorative accents, adding texture, color, and personality to windows and rooms. Whether framing a picturesque view, softening the lines of a space, or creating a focal point, curtains play a vital role in enhancing the ambience and aesthetics of any room. Window shutters are a classic and versatile window treatment option that adds both functionality and aesthetic appeal to any home. Crafted from various materials such as wood, vinyl, or composite, shutters offer durability and easy maintenance. They provide excellent light control, privacy, and insulation, allowing homeowners to adjust the louvers to their preferred angle. With their timeless design, window shutters seamlessly complement a range of architectural styles, from traditional to modern. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of plantation-style shutters or the sleek lines of contemporary designs, shutters enhance both the interior and exterior of your home. Additionally, shutters can add value to your property while offering a touch of sophistication to your windows. Overall, window shutters are a practical and visually appealing choice for homeowners looking to elevate the look and functionality of their windows. Curtains are an essential component of interior design, offering both practical functionality and aesthetic enhancement to any room. Available in a vast array of fabrics, colors, patterns, and styles, curtains provide endless opportunities for customization to suit individual preferences and decor themes. Additionally, curtains serve as decorative accents, adding texture, color, and visual interest to windows and rooms.
With innovation. Lit Blinds required professional for blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online and free shipping. Lit Blinds work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Dubai, New Zealand. Order fast and get 50% off. Don't waste your money. Contact us with these numbers: USA 2547086262 and Canada 5148265278. www.litblinds.store.
Litblinds.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere.
Scan QR code and 50% off. Litblinds.store.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, comments and share.